When your operators spend less time walking and more time welding, that's a big productivity benefit. And it lowers the chances of slips, trips, and falls too. This is what Arcreach Technology is designed to do. In this video, we'll show you how to use your new Arcreach equipment to take full advantage of its powerful technology on your job site. First, your Arcreach equipment lets operators make welding parameter changes right at the weld joint, so they can spend more time welding and less time walking. This allows you to minimize safety risks and increase productivity to maximize your profits. Arcreach Technology also means the welder doesn't have to be near the operator. You can place an Arcreach welder next to the closest source of power on the job site and then run the weld cables to where the work is, even hundreds of feet away. Here's what you should see after turning on an Arcreach suitcase feeder. That flashing decimal point means the feeder and the welder are establishing communication with each other. You'll notice the CLC light is solid, not flashing. That tells us the welder has completed its calculation. And cable length compensation has made sure the voltage you see on the feeder display is accurate. If you're used to boosting the voltage at the welder to make up for the voltage drop in a long weld cable run, you won't have to do that with an Arcreach system. Cable length compensation means the voltage you set is the voltage you'll get, even with weld cables that are hundreds of feet long. If you power on an Arcreach wire feeder and the CLC light flashes, check the work lead attachment point and make sure it's clean. Back at the welder, there's no chance of someone accidentally changing the weld parameters, because when an Arcreach wire feeder or remote is connected, it locks out the welder's control panel. The operator is in complete control of the arc to ensure consistent performance. That control even extends to making weld parameter changes while the arc is on. Industry-exclusive adjust while welding makes it possible. This weld is complete. And now the welder needs to be used for another process. So, simply disconnect the feeder, and the welder returns to its original settings. That's a real time saver when a welder is regularly switching between two different processes throughout the workday. And that's what Arcreach Technology is all about, saving you time and maximizing productivity for safer, more profitable job sites. Don't walk. Weld.